Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Iron Man Marvel Legends Model 01 na gold version. Yan. So this is more of a retro armor design ni Iron Man. This is the Model 01, the very first Iron Man na design based dun sa comics. So very cool. This is the gold version. Alam ko meron tong gray version. Gusto ko rin makita yon and ma-review din para and ma-custom repaint din. Uh, Maganda siguro yun kasi meron tayong variant na gray and the gold one. So this one I got from the from Phil Bars. Thank you very much Phil Bars for these. So let's start with the head. The head's a parang oblong shape na head design. Tapos makita mo yun doon yung face ni Tony Stark sa loob. So you have the face, tapos yung sa mouth, it's only black. Pero astig kasi meron siyang eyes. Merong meron talagang tao dun sa loob. Very nice. You have the face, you have the eyes sa eye holes. Tapos meron din maliit na antenna dito sa kanyang top shoulder part. Tapos you have the very large one piece na chest armor. Actually, two pieces to one and two. Yan. Meron mga lines sa back. Siguro pag meron kayong Gundam marker, you can uh, place some black panel lines din dito sa back niya and sa mga grooves para mas magmukhang deep yung mga parts na yun. Actually, dito pala sa harap meron. Meron panel line sa harap na mas dark. Dito sa likod hindi na nila nilagyan. And that's weird. Okay, cost cutting. Alright. Sabagay, hindi mo rin naman i-display yung figure na nakatalikod. So, they didn't mind. Okay? Okay. Alright, so moving on with the review, yung kanyang arc reactor is just white with horizontal lines, with vertical lines. Tapos meron mga rivets. Ang ganda ng rivets, maliliit lang siya and very precise. Yung plastic niya is very sturdy naman. Hard plastic to, ito flexible plastic para hindi mag-hinder sa articulation niya. Tapos merong mga vents dito, 1 and 2. Tapos you have the belt, circular parts sa side. Ito parang skirt armor. Then, you have the legs, very sturdy legs. Tapos yung kanyang accessories, you have the blast effect. Tapos meron ding dalawang fist hands. And you have the accessory. Hindi ko lang paano ina-equip to. Something like this maybe. Wait lang ah. Baka ganito siya. Something like that.